All right, we got another code that popped up on the Raptor. So if you see this, check this first. Check your oil, make sure it's full. If it's full, it's probably your oil sensor. So here we go. So the Raptor 6.2 is a little bit different than the F-150 5.0. So once you get down here and you remove all your skid plates, you climb all the way up under here. And it's right there. Now, the way we're gonna have to do this is you're gonna have to slide your hand through the front to grab that, press it on the top right there, pop it off. So you get you one of these. What is this, a 21 mil on the plug. It'll go right over. So what you're gonna have to do is use this to shimmy between the rack and pinion up, get it on to your sensor. And then you can, because this articulates, you'll be able to get it loose, pull it off, and put your new one on. Watch out for the oil. Just like that. And there we go. New one's all in. We're ready to go.